In this video, we'll highlight how AgilePoint supports manual exception handling without the use of AI, something that has been in the platform for the last 2 decades or so. So as you can see from my process tracker, we currently have a task sitting with the claim assessor in a claims process. But let's just say, for example's sake, we realized that something was missed and we need to perform investigation. So though we'd like to go back from the claim assessor to the claims handler, we don't have any connecting lines that bring us there. Thankfully, with AgilePoint, I can simply override the default process flow, move things forwards, backwards, split or merge parallel activities. And in just a second, we're going to see things refresh and end up with our claims handler. Now, to help with that investigation, we'd like to bring in another process participant that we hadn't designed for initially. Thankfully, for this, AgilePoint has a capability called process adaptation, where I can dynamically insert any number of new participants on the fly. So let's bring in our next participant. And bear in mind, if any of these sorts of changes were made to the base process, we could always affect these changes through a live in-flight migration using AgilePoint's Manage Center. To show you how this would work, I've brought up an instance here in the Manage console, and as you're seeing, I have a button called Migrate, where I can bring this application up to the latest version without impacting the end user experience. So while in this segment, you saw me handling exceptions manually, in the next segment, you're going to see AI take these actions on our behalf.